The next framework that we are looking at is marketing mix 4Ps. In a competitive market, customers have a wide range of products to choose from. So it is very important for businesses to make their product offering as attractive as possible. When a business decides to launch a new product or service, they need to first carefully evaluate if the product or service offered is promoted in such a way that it is attractive to the customer. Before defining the marketing mix, business needs to identify who their target customer is. Which segments needs are they meeting through their product or service? Target customer can be identified basis a combination of gender, age group, interest, profession, geography, etc. So, marketing mix can be described as a list of elements that the business should consider for promoting a new product or service. The 4Ps is a framework to help business think through the key elements of marketing mix. The first P is product. Any marketing plan might fail if the product which is offered to the customer is not beneficial to them, or if they see no value in buying the product. So the product must have the features which are attractive to the target consumer. It is also important to make the product differentiated and better than what is being offered by the competitors. Let us take an example. Young adults and college going students feel a need to dress fashionably in latest fashion. However, all fashion companies sell them at high prices. There is a need of affordable fashion. So company X has decided to launch a high fashion brand targeted at teens and young adults. So the product here is latest fashion trends inspired clothing. The next P is price. The pricing must be in such a way that the product should be profitable for the business with adequate margin, and at the same time it should be affordable for their target consumer. Example, in the case of company X, the target consumer was young adults and teens who has limited spending power. So the business has decided to be a value brand, providing the products at a value and affordable price so that the target customer can easily afford it. The next is place. It means where should the product be placed so that your target customer is likely to encounter it or discover your product. It is important to be present in right location so that the target consumer can discover the brand easily. For example, company X has decided to open offline stores near college, popular hangout areas, and also they wanted to establish a strong online presence since the target consumer is very active online. And the last P is promotion. Promotion is a set of activities which are undertaken to advertise the product. For example, young crowd is very active on social media and they are heavily influenced by the influencers who are present in these social media platforms. So, company X has decided to leverage on social media and influencer marketing to promote their products. So, when a business is deciding to launch a new product, they need to decide how do they want to bring this offering to the customer through this marketing mix of 4Ps. So, this framework acts as an entry strategy for a newly launched product or service.